Hey guys, I'm so excited because today we're going to be using the Colourpop and Frosty the Snowman collection. This is a little bit overdue, so I do apologise. I'm still trying to get my camera right. I think that's okay, hopefully. Anyway, so we have the little lip mask and lip scrub. This is the candy cane flavoured one. I won't be using that today. I'll use that like skincare, obviously. We have two little lip kits. So we have Happy Jolly Fun and Snow Much Fun. So cute. It looks like we've got kind of like a red one and then like a more neutral. We have these. These are the Plumping Gloss Balm Trio. They look so nice. We'll put those on first. We've got a little everyone's favourite snowman colour changing blending sponge, which is so cute, but I am going to keep him as a display. I'm not going to use him. We've got two Jelly Much eyeshadows, two Super Shock highlighters, and then the palette. So let's just get into it. Let's open these first. So this is the Chill Out So Juicy Plumping Gloss Balm Trio, and obviously we have 3 shades in here. So excited for these. Like, this sounds so nice. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. I feel like they're similar to those things like the Tarte ones and like the ones that NYX have and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, you can see the shades here. I honestly think I'm going to go for like the lightest one. So this is the one in Frozen. So it's like a clicky situation. They're actually like really nice flavour. I thought it was going to be minty, but it's kind of like, they almost smell like kind of like cookie or something. I don't know, but how pretty is that? I actually really like these. This is the kind of product that I would take to work. That's really nice. I love anything at the moment that makes my lips look juicy. I think because my lips like normally look quite dry, anything that makes them like look juicy, I love. Alright, we're gonna get to the eyeshadow palette. So this is just called the Frosty the Snowman eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's so cute. And the color story, chef's kiss, like so stunning. I love it. So I'm gonna prime my eyes and then we're gonna start a look. Before I actually prime my eyes, I just want to have a look at these because I want to kind of like plan a look in my head, you know. So we have 2 shades of the Jelly Much shadows. Oh, gel eyeshadow. Oh no, Jelly Much eyeshadow. Yeah, okay, weird. It says like Jelly Much eyeshadow, but then on here it says gel eyeshadow, so I don't know what the go is with that. But anyway, we have like this beautiful blue shade and we've also got this stunning pink shade. So pretty. Alright, let's prime my eyes and get into it. Alright, so I think we're probably going to do a cut crease today. I feel like that'll be like the best way to do things. Yeah, I don't really know. There's so many beautiful shimmers in here. I will say I feel like there's not many mattes. We've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of matte shades. So I feel like that's not a whole lot, obviously. I think I'm going to start with this shade. It's called Always Very Merry and kind of put that. I don't even know if it's going to match. Like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'll give it a go. So yeah, sorry, this will be like my transition-y kind of shade. I feel like this shade is really nice. Like, it blends very nice, so that's good. Looks very kind of like creamy. But now I kind of don't really know where to go from here. So that's a concern. I'm going to take the shade called Button Nose, and it's like a bit of a darker shade. And I think we're going to use that to kind of like deepen things up a little bit. I really like this palette, but I feel like it's weird a little bit that like there's kind of really like nothing else, you know. Oh well, I'm just hoping that like when we cut the crease we can make something work, because this is the second deeper shade in the palette. Like, there's kind of, there's black, there's this, and then there's the first shade that we use. Like, there's nothing else that's really kind of, I don't even know if this is gonna look okay. I'm gonna go back into the purple and try and like blend this. I really am struggling to blend this like darker shade. I don't know, like you can see it's just like such a harsh line. I hate this. I might still be able to bring it together, I don't know. Okay, in the outer corner I'm going to put the black, and it's called Frosty's Hat. I'm just going to have to hope that this works out. Oh my god, this is already not right. Oh my god. What have I done? I honestly want to take it off. I'm really thinking about just like, or do I just keep going? I don't know. I'm just going to blend her. Okay, I'm going to cut the crease. We're just going to see what happens when I cut the crease, so I'll be back. Okay, I've cut the crease and I've got an idea. Hopefully this works. I think I'm going to take the blue shade here, called Splendid, and put that in the cut crease and then put the Jelly Matte Shadow over the top. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's hope it works. And then I think we could probably pull it together, hopefully. This may be the world's ugliest makeup look. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Okay. Now I just need to get a bit of that black. Blend. God, I'm hoping I can pull this together. Anyway. Wait and see. Alright. This is our like only hope. So let's hope she comes through. I don't know how I've managed to do such a terrible job today, but maybe I have forgotten how to do makeup. How pretty is this Jelly Matte Shadow? I can't remember if I said, but it's in the shade Freezing. Stunning. Pretty. Okay. Do I like it yet? No, but I think we're going to add some liner and stuff. I do feel like the Jelly Matte Shadow has made a big improvement though. Still not my favourite look ever. I am going to blend the black again. I'll try to. Just so it looks a little bit more kind of, you know, seamless, I guess. I'm going to take the first brush we started with. I'm actually going to go into like this light shade called Thermometer and just dust that over everything. That's how that's looking. I think I'm going to take this from She Glam. This is the glitter liner in Fireworks. I'm going to use it in like line the cut crease. I feel like this will be a good addition to the look. Don't know if it did what I thought it would, but it's still cute, I guess. Alright, and let's do some liner. Black liner always saves the day. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, do lashes, do my base and everything like that. Then we'll be back to, what do we have left to try out? I think we've got the Super Shock highlighters and then the lip products. Okay, base is done and now we need to use one of these. These are the Super Shock highlighters. So we have Winter Wonder. Stunning are they? They're so beautiful. I love Super Shock highlighters. They're like such a cool formula. Okay, and then we have Icicle Spree. I feel like one's gonna be like blue. Oh, they're honestly very similar. Oh yeah, okay, actually when the light hits them you can see one of them is like blue toned and the other is like pinky. So Winter Wonderland has like a blue reflect and Icicle Spree is like more like pinky, curly kind of. I think because we are so blue, I'm going to take the blue one today. Winter Wonder. This is like my favourite part. Stunning! So pretty! I just love a good Super Shock highlight. That is that. I think I'm going to have to take the nude lip kit today. The Happy Jolly Fun. So I'm going to go and put that on and I'm going to also do my hair and then we will be back and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, this is the finished look. I ended up going in with the Holly Jolly Fun lip kit. Closer with the eyes. I feel like they ended up turning out better than how they were going. They're still not my favourite like makeup look that I've ever done, but anyway, I feel like I really like this collection. One of my favourite things was the Plumping Gloss Bar. I feel like that was so nice. I actually do really enjoy the eyeshadow palette. I just wish that there were like a few more transition shades or something like that. Maybe one or two less shimmers and, you know, one or two more matte shades. As much as I love the shimmers. But I feel like because I've also got like the Jelly Matte shadows, we just didn't need that many shimmers. But yeah, I think it's such a pretty colour story. It's super cute. Love the highlighter. Love the lip kit. Love the Jelly Matte. So yeah, I was very impressed with this collection. I thought it was super cute. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.